I'm currently on my way heading to St. Elizabeth. Thanks for all the birthday wishes. This journey is all about visiting my mother just to take a picture. And that was the 6th of the 9th, 2020. Check out this and stay tuned. I have other stuff to show you. Actually,
happy birthday to you. From me to you, happy birthday. Have a wonderful birthday.
I'm currently on public transportation. You know, the whole mask thing and corona thing. We have to wear our protection in that sense. And this was a Sunday. I chose Sunday because most people are not going to travel on Sunday. Actually, they use up the week for all those traveling purposes. And it's public transportation, so I want to minimize the contact between people. So currently we're on our way to Mandeville. I think we're at Forest here, I don't quite remember. Somewhere there. This is in the constituency of Central Manchester, where you have person running like Peter Bunting and whosoever it is, he lost his seat. And we're currently in Mandeville. This is in the park. It's actually cleaner than most places. It wasn't like this clean in the Spanish Town. The Spanish Town was a huge mess. So since the curfew and all that, I don't think I'm not seeing the effort put out by the person who normally clean to do it in the evenings. They come in the morning and do it. So this littering is very light compared to other places, you know, and as I mentioned, Spanish Town was quite messy. And let me head over to where I am gonna take taxi. As I can know, the sun is setting, people still out here hunting their daily bread. And currently the police station is to my right. Or I could turn back, go around to where KFC is and continue that road. So now I'm in the park. I have this dog wandering, you know, looking for his breakfast. In that sense. And I'm on the phone with a female.
You have to just get to know
that thinks she may be spied on.
The social media.
Her the conversation may be leaked to somebody else.
Any
so
such
I'm giving
device
her
that
some
your
advice
WhatsApp will be
until my battery died.
And you just delete.
And leaving the park area, about to head out from Mandeville, and we'll be heading to Balaclava. Got those fluffy clouds, and this is Grove Place. Nice fluffy green trees and grasses and the road. Look at this shot. It's just a place you want to be all the time. And look at this section now. Look at that arch over the top of the road. Nice, wonderful. Look at that shot. So I just love this place out of everywhere else on the journey differently. And the road had been paved nice and smooth. That doesn't mean you should speed. And a lot of land is also here, so persons overseas who have not migrated, please ensure you're paying your NHT funds so you are eligible to receive funding if needed. Otherwise, if you don't have to, well, fine. And we reach a section of the road where a tire had picked up nail, so we are about to help get off this wheel before the rain starts. And then, you know, hands get dirty, we had to use sanitizer. And then we are currently, the rain had started falling, currently at Comfort Hall. Then we're moving closer to Oxford. Nice fluffy green, and we having sun here, as I noticed. It had showered very hard. Election, Labour right wing, so peer shower. And this is Oxford, and Noisy River is where we turn right. So all the persons who wanna enjoy themselves, we are going up Gulf Hill now. Now we have reached Roger Clark High turn off. This is the courthouse. And fast forward, you have reached my home zone. This is Marlborough District. One way in, one way out. This mountainous area, about 4 miles, 3 to 4 miles from the town. One way in, one way out. And getting to where I'm at now. Alright, so we reach now and we way to Mother.
What do you mean for that?
Alright, here's another look at that dress. Our skirt and blouse, you know that not sell nowhere. She with that.
That's a big difference. Come up on the inside, that's all.
So it's time to create the photo moment. I don't know what it will look like, but it will be something with the two of us. Who? So it's time to go now. Yeah. Yeah, my YouTube channel named Nature in Jamaica. So, yeah. I fry fish. It was beautiful. So, basically that's why the Thunder Road right now.
There you go.
So how we feel last time? I'm in on the corona coming up and now we feel last. I'm not come out of feel last 3 weeks. So
They mean have over there?
I just basically that. Yeah, and we are going now. She got for a pumpkin. I'm really don't want to drop down another place. This is what's happening around here. Lucky tree.
pear tree, and all them things. But there, and pear just drop. What revive?
You can't have everybody over there.
Not a problem. Alright, so this sauce up and drink some with ginger. So you see the reason why I always come and not tell nobody? I can't manage the bag, honestly. Can't manage the bag. This is the place they call bush. The place they call bush. Oh, you live a bush. Ah, this place they get the healthy things now.
And that's it for our journey. We had traveled highway, come right up to Mandela, and then he made his way through to town, and I made my way to St. Catherine across the gorge.
Yo!
So thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share.